After a winter spent scavenging, the foxes can now finally... It's the best time to have pups. But none of them will survive their first year unless their parents make the most of the short summer. With the snow gone, the foxes shed their white fur and become a camouflaging brown. It makes hunting easier. There are no trees, so they make their nests high on the sea cliffs, well out of the reach of a fox. The vast majority, however, are forced to nest on the ground. The powerful Arctic skuas defend their eggs with aggression and dirty tricks. There are other options for the fox. The auks are outfoxed, and the pups will get their supper.